Do you think there was a feeling of solidarity that came through the show?
Carrying buckets of coal down to neighbours because we had coal and they didn't.
Me and families had to help each other. Well, my husband knows two brothers who've never spoke since. It's awful, terrible. They hate each other.
Could you say one positive word or sentence about the mining heritage?
Respect, and a deep respect, because it was a horrific job and a necessary job for the country and for them to earn money for the families, but what a terrible job to have to do day after day, year after year.
Would you like to share any feelings that you took away from the show?
A sense of the threat that was there and also the sadness that was underneath. I thought it was just an all-consuming show. It was fantastic.
I loved the dancing and loved every aspect of it and history of it. Brilliant.
Pride in Billy's resilience in totally ignoring the conventions of the day.
Much better than, I think it was better than our expectations, I think, really. I mean, I know you've seen the film and you're not really sure, but it was even better.